Garver Launch is our strategic internship program that helps us to locate, train, and retain our interns at Garver.
One of the biggest challenges we have as a growing company is accessing new talent. The launch program at Garver allows us to hopefully access that talent a little earlier to help solve a little bit of that talent acquisition problem that exists long-term in our industry.
Garver Launch benefits our interns in the fact that they are really immersed into the company and they know a lot about Garver just from their internship experience, and this allows them to become instant contributors on their first day when they come on full-time.
Applying for the internship, you could see that there was a completely separate program just for the interns. I really felt like my mentors and my supervisors really just cared a lot that I was learning about what I was doing, not just doing tasks, but understanding what's behind them and making sure I got the complete picture.
We really see them as engineering staff on our projects. Our interns are actually engaged on projects, providing value to those projects. And of course, gaining that career work experience along the way.
They treat you like an EIT. They don't treat you like an intern. From day one, they treat you like you're fresh out of college. They're training you as if you're a real engineer and you're going to be hired on later.
I don't feel like I've ever felt excluded from anything, and that's something I didn't anticipate coming into. I kind of thought I'd be like a lower tier, but it's not. I absolutely feel part of the team and very included, so it's great.
We're equipping them to be ahead of where they would have been when they start whatever job they take, and I think they realize that. The quality of our lives is very important, and during our town hall tour last year, we heard that time and time again about how Garver invests in its people.
I think something really unique about Garver is how many people we have that started out as interns, and it's honestly why it's so successful is that we have the leaders to back us up. They're really, really passionate about the internship program. Honestly, it makes my job really easy. They're willing to go above and beyond for these interns because they know the importance of how they're growing our future. So building those future project managers or VTLs or the next Brock or Michael Graves, I think is really important, and their support really changes that.
We're hopeful that we identify people that we can see working for us long term. We hope that there's a cycle, if you will, where they do the internship with us and then ultimately they come back to us on a full-time status and then grow within our company to hopefully become a leader in our company someday.
I really appreciate the real world experience they're giving me, and they give to all interns. And now that Garver has showed me what proper respect is as an employee, that they showed me that I matter and what I do matters. I couldn't handle being treated any less now that Garver is treating me like this.
What I tell interns in the interview process is that Garver's culture of employee investment and transparency, that upward mobility, is something you don't see elsewhere. The fact that there are so many people at Garver that have not ever left, is because there's no need to leave. There's no need to see what the grass is like on the other side because we know it's greener here.